are you doing?
Are you ready for school?
Yeah.
Rain, are you ready for school?
Yes.
Are you okay, Jenna? How you look like that? Because every morning I'm late because of this kid. This is my new kitty cat, Nico. Say hi, baby. Look how crazy he is. Nico. Look at this. Look at him. Nico. What are you doing? Silly boy. Huh? Chill day, you guys. I still haven't even started editing the video for tomorrow, well, for today, so I gotta do that. It shouldn't take me that long though, so I just gotta make sure I work on it really quickly. Look how cute Nico is, you guys. Woo! Ooh, look at him pounce. I didn't make you an Instagram. Okay. Don't mind my head top. I know it's looking crazy like it normally does 1,000% of the time. But I came upstairs to give Nico some food because he was meowing. So I'm like, let me give him some food. There he is eating. He keeps putting the food on the ground, like over there on the ground, and eating it on the ground, and then coming back to the bowl and then doing the same thing. And I'm like, what is going on? But he's so cute. I gave him like a chicken turkey mix, but this one has like longer pieces of turkey. I see him like really trying to chomp it, but this is what the people gave me where I got him from. I gave him like a chicken one before, which is more mashed, but this one has like kind of like long pieces of like chicken. So I don't know, he seems to be eating it okay. He seems to really like it too. Oh my god, I never knew I could love an animal so much. Like seriously, like I love Miyako, obviously, like, you know, she's so cute and she's a very nice dog and she's so cute. But like, I guess because like she had to leave me because Jenna like really didn't want the dog around Rain. So I couldn't be around her all the time. But I guess because like Nico like he's really like minds, you know? I'm like, wow. I'm like, I cannot wait. I just want to spoil him and give him everything. Like, oh my goodness, he's the cutest. I'm so happy I got him. I always wanted a cat. Like, I remember when I was a teenager, I had a really good friend at the time named Sarah. We're friends now still, but like obviously we're both grown, have kids, doing stuff, busy, you know, but like at the time we were best friends, so I was at her house like 24/7. I was always there. Oh my god, my hair looked horrible, yo. I was like legit with her like 24/7, and she had a cat. She had a Persian cat. He was a white fluffy cat, like a super fluffy white cat. His name was Tigger. He was a very nice cat too. Super friendly. He passed now, but from ever since then I'm like, I need a cat. Like, I want one, you know, because I really enjoyed them. And then like having Miyako, which is the little pit bull that I had when she was a puppy, she was super hard as a puppy. Like, she was so cute, but like, oh my gosh, she was so picky in what she ate, and like, oh my gosh, it was just a lot, you know. But like, and then the poop, like to potty train her was so hard. Like, potty training her was like a nightmare, you know what I mean? But with Nico, because he's a kitty cat, he just like goes in his litter box, like literally, like he just goes in there and he's done, and he goes in there, he pees, he poops, and he's like finished. Look at him. Nico. But yeah, anyways, but yeah, everyone wants to go play video games downstairs, so I have to go bring the game because they sent me up here to go get it. So I'm gonna go get the game and then see what kind of game they're playing. I might try it too, who knows. But yeah, oh yeah, and then I gotta upload the video because I already finished editing it. I just gotta make the thumbnail and upload the video, so that's what I'm gonna go to. You guys remember that nice tree that we had?
Hey, listen.
Oh, so now you want to fix it, huh? Listen. You guys remember that nice tree, what it looked like? Look at it now.
Listen, I need to get more, what's it called?
Bulbs?
Yes.
Why, what's wrong with it, bro?
No, look at them. There's like 4.
Bulbs at work?
What do you mean?
Oh, you mean bulbs, like Christmas bulbs. Oh, I thought you meant like
Halloween
lights.
bulbs.
I thought you meant lights, girl.
No.
My bad. Okay.
Where's Nico?
I don't know. Can you find him? He's under the bed. He's so cute. Look at that face. Oh my goodness. You're so cute. You're so cute. I love his belly. He's so fat. He's so cute.
Okay.
I don't know how people say they're not cat people. Like, they're so adorable. Cats are literally the best. So, Noah, do you love Nico? Tell me when you're excited. Tell me what about your cat.
Number one, he likes to sleep.
Okay.
I love when he sleeps
Mm-hmm.
because he looks so cute when he sleeps.
Mm-hmm.
And then number two, I like when he plays with me.
Look at his face at you.
Yeah.
He's under the bed right now. Can you see what he's doing? No one knows what he's doing right now.
Huh, what? Nico, what are you doing? This is Nico.
He's like, let me go.